This is Green Valley. It is a beautiful place.
Many Triceratops live here. Green Valley is their home.
The little dinosaurs play every morning. Stay close, little ones. Do not go near the forest.
Wow!
The forest is quiet, but Leah always watches it.
Tino is here!
Do not worry. Tino is our friend.
I will not hurt anyone. Green Valley feels calm today. Yes, I hope it stays this way. Thank you, Tino.
You are welcome.
You are strong, but you are also kind. I do not want others to fear me. Good morning, Green Valley. Everything looks safe from the sky. This place gives us food, water, and shelter. Then it must be protected.
That was strange.
Maybe it was only the wind. The forest feels different today.
But far away, something is coming.
I will look from above. These marks are fresh. These are not Triceratops footprints. Huh? Something fast came through here. What is that sound? Is anyone there? Oh no! Raptors! They are coming! I must warn the herd. Leah! Tino! Danger! Momo, what happened? I saw raptor footprints near the forest. Tino, what does that mean?
They were here recently. The footprints were fresh.
Then the little ones are not safe.
We stay calm. Watch from the sky.
Good. Call us if you see anything.
The happy valley becomes silent.
Raptors move in packs. If one is here, more may be near. Bring the little ones together. Stay away from the forest.
Stay inside the circle.
Maybe we can talk to them first. If they come in peace, we will listen. I see movement!
One raptor appears at the edge of Green Valley.
There are more of them!
So this is Green Valley.
This valley belongs to our herd.
There is food here. There is water here. My pack is hungry. We are staying.
No one needs to fight today.
You are a T-Rex. Why do you stand with them?
Because they are my friends.
Friends cannot stop hunger.
Leave Green Valley, please.
No.
Stand together.
But they do not run.
I am scared. Stay close. We will protect you. On the right! Stop! Do not come closer!
The raptors are fast. They look for a way in.
Left side! Move left! You will not pass.
Do not stop. Keep moving.
Tino! The baby! The baby! No! Back away! One more step, and you face me. Come with me. You are safe.
Move away, Tino.
I cannot do that.
My pack needs food.
Then ask for help. Do not attack.
No one helps raptors.
One last push!
Together! Stand strong!
The ground is moving.
Smoke! I see smoke! Rako, what happened there?
That is not your problem. They are tired. We will be back. This is not over. We will come back.
Come back with words, not claws.
Green Valley is safe for now.
Is everyone safe?
Yes. Everyone is safe.
You saved us, Tino.
Maybe, but I think this is bigger than us.
We have no food. We have no home. The battle for Green Valley is over. But a bigger danger is coming.